Everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video, I will show you how to insert an endnote in your document in Word. So first, you need to open your document where you need to insert it. And so this is my document. Now you just need to go to the location where you need to add an endnote. So I'll just go end of this first paragraph. After that, go to this References tab, and you will see Insert Endnote in this Footnotes ribbon. Click on Footnote, Insert Endnote, and you will be taken to the last page. As you can see, I am in the 5 of 5 pages, and it's the first endnote. So I'll just type in my reference. If I click on enter, it will show this icon at the end of my paragraph. Similarly, if I want to add another endnote, I will just click on the location where I want my endnote to be and click on insert endnote. So again, I will type my reference and click on enter. So again, you will see a second endnote in a second location. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.